Welcome to the woods. My name is James from Spirited Adventure, and in partnership with Woodlands TV, today I'm going to show you how I make this, a pot hanger system. You might be thinking, why do I need to bother? Well, a pot hanger system is a safe and effective way to suspend pots and pans to cook with. Your kettle, coffee pot and a variety of other pots and pans can easily be adjusted and moved on or off the heat for best results. But before I show you how to make this, let's go all the way back to the beginning. You'll need a saw, a knife, a mallet or baton and some string. Everything else you'll find in the woods. To start, collect 6 straightish, equal length sticks about 4 to 5 feet long. And one longer stick for the bar which sits across the top. Start by making the tripods, and for that you'll need a hoop of string or paracord. If it's a large hoop like this one, when you place it over the 3 sticks all you need to do is double it. So it doesn't really matter how big or small the hoop is, as long as you can fit it loosely over the 3 sticks. Now for the clever bit. When you turn the middle stick, the string tightens. 2, 3 or 4 turns will be enough to hold it. Done. Now repeat the process for the second tripod. And finally, add the long stick. It's important to check it's sturdy and strong enough to support your cooking pots, so give it a test. To make the adjustable pot hangers, you need to find sticks with a natural J or number 7 shape. You can cut green branches or find dead sticks as long as they're not rotten. I prefer to find dead sticks, which saves the trees. Select a few with different lengths and thicknesses to see which will work best together. Just watch out when using dead sticks, it will be harder on your hands and knife when carving. Support your J-stick and prepare to cut 2 or 3 pot hanger notches. Cut an X shape halfway into the wood. This helps to carve the hook. Remove material from 3 sides of the X shape, making sure to leave intact 1/4 of the X, which now becomes the hook to hold a pot handle. A little tip to make the hook more effective and secure. Cut material away at a slight angle. This makes the notch look more like a fishing hook, which is much more secure when supporting a pot handle. Okay, so that's a 1-stick adjustable pot hanger. I'm now going to show you how to make a 2-stick adjustable pot hanger. The top stick suspended from the horizontal bar is made in exactly the same way, with a fish hook shaped notch at the bottom. The second stick, turned upside down, has a couple of notches called a number 7 notch. Instead of cutting an X, tap in a straight stopper cut at 90 degrees to the stick. Then take away material below the cut to create a number 7 shaped notch. It may look insecure and precarious, but it's actually very robust and reliable. Easy to move and adjust over the heat. Costs nothing except a little whittling time and a few lengths of string. And that's it. You've just made an adjustable pot hanger system very cheaply and with only the resources available in the woods. If you don't have any cutting tools with you, don't worry, you can still make a pot hanger. Snap sticks by hand and take 2 J-shaped sticks, turn one upside down and fix in the middle with some string or even a bootlace. And there you have it, a pot hanger, but just be careful not to burn the string in the middle. An adjustable pot hanger system, I think it's as good if not better than any shop bought tripods, trivets and trammel hooks. It certainly looks the part for the woods. So that just leaves one thing to do. Test it. So it's back to the beginning. Make a fire and have a brew. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you found it interesting. Why don't you give it a go next time you're out in the woods?